Welcome back to the channel and to the second video on this Skoda Fabia. So we'll just run through a couple of bits that have been going on over the last week. We did buy a new bumper and that's all built up now. I've had that painted. The new wing, again, that was a brand new wing, that's been painted. We do have the new wheel arch turned up. The driver's side headlight was good, and we've had a replacement passenger side headlight. The only one bit we're waiting for at the moment is the grille, the small little triangle grille that goes in there. We had a new fog light in there, so that part there is still on order, and that should be with us maybe today or tomorrow. But apart from that, the other grills were okay, so that's all good. Looking at the car itself, so this wing bracket, I didn't bother trying to straighten it for the sake of £25 or whatever it was. So we take a look at the damage that was there. So as we said, this was raised up and this was bent down and the bracket was bent back. So we've actually replaced this wing bracket now. So that's all straight, and we've repaired this area and we've painted it all. So that now is all ready to accept the new wing and to build the car back up. So apart from that, we've got the battery tray to go in and the battery, bit of wiring to just connect back together, and then we can start rebuilding the wings and things like that. So damage is all repaired. The other thing, this top plate here, we did buy a new one, but there was no damage on this, so we've still got the original Skoda part one in there, so we're better off leaving that one there. But everything else is all back together now. So if we can see there, what we do, we go over to a bit of time lapse and we'll start building this one back up. And there we go, that's it. Everything's put back together now, all the damage is replaced. The inside has been all cleaned already. We've got to do clean and polish on the outside, and then obviously take it off for a bit more video footage for the finished video. But looking down there now, as we said before, we've replaced the wing, all nice color match. Still waiting for that little bit to go in the bottom there on the cover, but apart from that, everything's good. So we'll get this cleaned up now, and then we'll see you on the final walk around video. Welcome back to the video and to this 2016 Skoda Fabia SE L TSI. This is the 1.2 petrol with 6-speed manual gearbox. The car has covered 49,440 miles. It's just £20 a year to tax, and it's on the insurance register as a Category S due to the small amount of damage that you've seen in the previous video. Being the SE model, this has such features as remote central locking, electric windows, electric heated wing mirrors, push button start, stop start system, collision warning system, automatic headlights, rear parking sensors, cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, touchscreen infotainment system with DAB and Bluetooth connectivity, and the car has just had a full service carried out and a new MOT. If you require any more information on this car or any cars you see on my channel, or if you've got a
accident damaged car or a non-running car you think I might be interested in, then contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Do hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. That way you won't miss out on any upcoming builds. But as always, I thank you for watching these videos, and I look forward to seeing you soon in another video.